Kausapin po natin ngayon si Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela. Commodore Tariela, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Hello, Miss Pinky. Magandang gabi sa inyo at Merry Christmas.
Sir, Merry Christmas po sa inyo. Maituturing ho ba na Christmas miracle itong pag-rescue ng China sa stranded na Pinoy fisherman na si Mang Larry?
Well, honestly, Miss Pinky, I think this is just another propaganda strategy on the part of the Chinese embassy. Kung babasahin mo yung statement ng Chinese embassy, may mga bagay na in-emphasize sila doon para it would sound like believable. 3 araw daw na distress yung mga isda. Pangalawa, nakiko-coordinate daw sila sa Philippine Coast Guard. These two things na sinabi nila, these are lies, Hindi sila nakiko-coordinate sa amin, that's the first one. Second, hindi 3 araw na nawawala yung mga isda. And third, that I'm actually asking the Chinese embassy, ano ang ginagawa ng isang PLA Navy warship sa ating exclusive economic zone at a distance of only 71 nautical miles off the coast of Zambales?
Yun po yung mga tanong na kailangan pong sagutin. Unang-una, isahin ko lang po, Commodore, bakit ho kaya, sinasabi niyo po hindi totoo yung 3 days po itong si Larry na nanatili po sa dagat. Ano ho ba ang kanyang kwento? Dahil doon sa report kanina ay sinasabing less than 24 hours?
Yes. Dahil nakausap namin mismo yung mga isda, ang sabi niya, umalis siya ng service boat niya from the mother boat 3 p.m. ng December 24. And we were able to recover the Filipino fishermen 1 p.m. ng December 25.
I see.
So ibig sabihin, less than 24 hours pa.
Okay. Ano ho kaya ang dahilan at sasabihin po yun ng China na 3 days po siyang nandun sa dagat?
Alam mo naman, Miss Pinky, they're very good in disinformation and fake news and of course, using propaganda to at least convince the Filipino people na they are good at sea, na tinutulungan natin ang mga isdang Pilipino. Kapag sinabi kasi nilang, hindi, less than 24 hours, and you can look at the video that they presented, hindi naman distress basically yung mga isda. Nakatali siya dun sa mooring buoy nung payaw, And Pinky, nakausap din namin yung mga isda, Kaya siya naglagay nung help me. It's because natatakot siya, nag-iisa siya, baka kung ano daw ang gawin ng PLA Navy personnel sa kanya. Nung nag-launch sila ng rigid hull inflatable boat.
Yun po ang kanyang kinatakot. Kaya po
Yes.
sinabi niya, help me, tulungan ako. Okay.
Yes.
And sinasabi niyo din po na kasinungalingan, yung sinasabi nilang they coordinated with the Coast Guard because you're saying that no such action happened, no coordination happened?
Yes, that's a big lie, Miss Pinky, We never received any information or report or whatsoever na ginawa ang Chinese embassy, ang PLA Navy warships, or even the China's Coast Guard, para ipabigay alam ito sa liderato ng Philippine Coast Guard.
Ano ho ba ang ginagawa ng Chinese Navy doon? Sabi niyo nga, 71 nautical miles off the coast of Zambales. Ang lapit po nun.
Yes, Miss Pinky, I think that's the most important question that has to be answered by the Chinese embassy.
And what is our plan, sir, to do that, to at least question why they were within that territory?
Well, for the Philippine Coast Guard, we are asking that question, whether they respond to that or not. At least we are responding to this propaganda information campaign that they're doing. Obviously, nahihirapan ang Chinese embassy ngayon to have a positive image sa paningin ng mga Pilipino. A few weeks back, kung maalala mo yung Pinky, they subjected ordinary Filipino fishermen ng water cannon ng Chinese Coast Guard.
That's right.
And this is what the Chinese embassy is doing.
Yun na nga
to
po
tell the Filipino people na tumutulong sila ngayon.
Yun na nga po yun po yung parang gusto ko talagang malinawan dahil hindi po natin makalimutan yung nangyari a couple of weeks ago dahil talagang yung ating mga mangingisda ay winotter cannon. They were injured, hindi ho ba? Tapos
Yes.
biglang ito po ay tinulungan po ang ating mangingisda. Kaya nga ang una ko pang tanong is, would you consider it a miracle, Christmas miracle? To which you are saying that questionable itong story na galing po sa kanila. Commodore, ito ho bang PLA Navy, is this the closest in recent history and recent months or years na lumapit sila within 71 nautical miles dyan po sa off the coast of Zambales?
Well, there are instances that they even came close as, I think, 60 nautical miles, no? But they would always say na it is just they're exercising freedom of navigation because they did not loiter, or it's continuous naman yung naging pagdaan nila, no? But again, hindi lang isang beses ito, and this PLA Navy warship with bow number 174, hindi ito nag-iisa. The Chinese embassy in Manila also knows that there are more Chinese warships and Chinese Coast Guard vessels that are illegally encroaching our own exclusive economic zone sa West Philippine Sea.
At dapat po patuloy po ang ating pagprotesta sa kanilang pananatili po dyan po malapit sa, well, within the 200 nautical miles po ng shore ng Pilipinas, ng ating bansa.
Yes, Ms. Speaking, and that's what we have been doing, no? Besides from challenging them tactically and on an operational level, we are also exposing their actions to the international community and to the Filipino people so that we cannot be swayed with this kind of propaganda strategy na ginagawa nila.
Kamusta po yung mangingisda natin?
Well, alam mo, Ma'am Pinky, no, after he undergone medical checkups kahapon, which is Christmas Day, ibinalik namin siya sa mother boat niya, inayos na uli yung service boat niya, at ngayon nangingisda pa rin sila sa vicinity ng Baho de Masinloc.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras at muli, Merry Christmas po sa inyo. Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela.